Hi everyone, this is Shagun. I'm excited once again. Seesaw is giving me so much excitement. I am telling you, this is what I call blended learning. Fantastic. Now, this lesson is about creating folders. There are two ways to create a folder, this way or from your range. That's your settings. All right? There are two ways to create it. Okay, before I go into that, let me just quickly show you this. Look at my name and then this icon, right? If I click here, right here, this is where, okay, I'm not going to go into this now. Select your school. That's if you want your school to invite you in. Let's say you privately own it, then you want your school to invite you, then you can click here. Then you can find your school, and I'm not going to go into that deeply. So this is where you can find your school, select your school to connect with local teachers and get school-wide features. This is how you can, of course, once you select this, you have to enter your school name, and after you've done that, then the school has to approve of you. I'm doing this just for general. Now, this also, if right here, you can come over here, this part here, this icon, right, the J icon right here, you can then, this is how to sign out. Let's say you're done with this device and you don't want another person to access. This is how to sign out from your Seesaw account. You understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, good. Just in case you're using a laptop and you're done with that laptop, someone else wants to use it and you don't want someone else to access your work, then you just click on sign out. So that's that. I'm not going to go through this once. Account setting, no. Now, the deal for today. I'm going to click right here. Remember, I went through this in our first video right here. So yeah, look at it right here, manage folders. Before we go to manage folder, look at this show add to folder step. Look at this on never. All right, now as a teacher, since you're creating a folder, you might want your students to see it. Okay, you might want your students and your co-teachers to see the folder, or you might only want teachers to see the folder, or you might not want anybody to see the folder. So I think it's best for us. I don't know what you're gonna use. Okay, I don't know what you're gonna use. Now let me leave it on. Let me leave it checked on never for now. Let's go back to folders right here. Look at it right here, manage folder. So I can click right here. Then this is it. Create a folder and show me how. Now look at this. The other way to do it is from here directly. Once I click here, this is the same thing. Create a folder, show me how. So I'm going to click on create a folder now. Now I'm going to write the name of the folder. So if I want the name of my folder to be comprehension, that's the name of my folder, and I'm going to give it a color in order to distinguish it, just to beautify it kind of. And then you have to click on the check button. Once I click on the check button right there, see, I have a comprehension folder. Now with this folder also, this icon here shows that I can edit it, meaning that even I can remove this folder. If I don't want it anymore, I can click on remove the folder and I say remove folder is gone. So can you see that? So you can actually create a folder. If you don't like what you created, you can remove it. All right, so let me just go back to my creating folder. Let me create it as mathematics. Now let's just say maths is a cool subject, so I'll just make it pink. Anyway, so I'll just go right here and then yeah, I've created a folder. So if I want to create another one, see right here, create a folder again. I can create that one to be science. And then science is also cool, so I just choose a cool one again, and then I go to my check button and then I assign that. See, I have two folders. I can create one more. Let's call this English. In order to be more specific, maybe I can just say maybe this is going to be comprehension or grammar. Let's say this is grammar. Let me make grammar kind of like this, then this. All right, something like this. All right, so I've created three folders. I don't want to belabor this issue. So this is the folders. If I don't want this folder anymore, I can come here as I've shown you earlier on, then I can click on remove from class. All right. Now that's that. So I can close this. All right. Now look at this. When I closed this, there's a space here called manage folders. So I can click on manage folders right here. I can create more and I can delete as usual. All right. I'm just showing you that just in case you see manage folders. Maybe when you close, see I closed first time, it's not there, and I closed the second time, it's right there. So just in case, if you click on manage folders, you can go back to editing that folder. So I'm going to close it all through. It's gone, right? It is gone. So in order to bring back your folders, this is the same way. You're going to just click on it, then you wait for it. I guess the internet, yeah, okay, it's back. So look at your folders. In this way you can then assign things to your folder. All right, see, I clicked on grammar. As I clicked on grammar right now, nothing has been added. All right, nothing has been added, so obviously nothing is there. I can go back here again. You wait for it. The internet, I guess. Come on, hurry up. All right, so I can clear selection. I don't want to select anything. Remember the other one, I clicked on grammar and it appeared there. So in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to actually create an activity from the community. All right, there's something called the community. Create an activity from the community, save it into your library, save it into your folder. All right, good. See you in the next video. Bye.